Hi, this is Lindy with AncestryAnswers to teach you how to utilize the help area of FamilySearch.org. So if you come in to the question mark up here in the upper right, and you come to help, there's a lot of different things you can use, but today we're going to focus on the contact us. So if you click on contact us and you allow it to use your location, it will give you the resources that are around you. And if you scroll down, this live chat is one of my favorite features. And you can see here, these are the hours of operation. So click chat now, and this box will pop up. And it's going to ask you which area you want to focus on until you put that number in, and you'll follow the prompt. You'll put in your name and your email address, and then you can ask them for any help that you need. I love this feature, so I challenge you to use this. And again, if you the other videos we will have here on Ancestry Answers will cover the different areas within the help category of Family Search. So use the chat feature whenever you need it. And then you can download the transcript after you're done, if you actually do use it. And I really love that because I can refer back to that, and they are very helpful, and there's a lot of people that they can access if they don't know the information. So I hope you can utilize the live chat, and you can always send a message here, or you can make a phone call. And again, these are the hours of operation. So I hope that's helpful in getting answers. Otherwise, put a comment below and I can try and help you as well. Have a great day.